In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up your SimpliSafe Smart Lock and go through all the steps of what it is going to be like to install this lock right here, and hopefully it'll help you guys out. Before we begin, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you can get notified for future videos. I'd love to have you back in the next one. Well, hey guys, Juan here. Thanks for stopping by my channel and checking out this video. So maybe you're in the market to buy a SimpliSafe Smart Lock, or maybe you've already bought one and you're going through the steps of getting it set up. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that, how to get this lock working from out of the box to on your door and working and functioning properly. And the hiccup that I ran into with this thing here and the answer to that. So hopefully this video will help you, especially if you run into that hiccup, and you can avoid that through what I had to do to fix it. So here's the setup video on how to get your SimpliSafe Smart Lock set up. I wanted to plug it in for setup purposes and to show you guys. As soon as I powered this thing on, this light illuminated here and it said, "Welcome to SimpliSafe." That could be used as a night light even. All right, let's put the battery door back on here. Slides in. That's a nice looking lock. I like how shallow it is, and it looks nice. Okay, so this is the deadbolt that I'm going to be replacing to put the SimpliSafe lock on. Let's go ahead and take this thing off. Okay, so now that we have the deadbolt off, we got this new SimpliSafe lock here. If you notice, there's two tabs here on the side. Push that out, push that one out, and it releases this like template, this metal SimpliSafe template. Pops right off like that. And then this side will be to the door, and then we'll put our put our screws back in. Okay, so we pop off our old deadbolt, put that over to the side, and SimpliSafe side on there just like that. Okay, so now that's installed on there, if you notice that the tailpiece on this goes out a little ways, so it's a little bit longer, and that's what takes that lock piece and turns it. Well, on the SimpliSafe lock out there, you see the difference there? So what they have to do is they give you these extensions, and that's what those colored plastic pieces are that are in the box here. So they give you all these plastic pieces here. And they're different shapes for different types of locks. So I'm gonna find the one that fits mine, stick it on there, which will extend that so that the SimpliSafe lock can then turn the lock and unlock it. So mine was the green one. So it sticks in there right like so. And then now that square plug will fit into this square hole. Okay, so I got it on there. I put the two clips, push them in, close the door. Now, one thing that was a little bit difficult was this side here was hard to get in because of the molding on the window, but I was able to take a nail and stick it in there, but it seems to be on there pretty good. Locked, unlocked, lock, unlock. So, okay. Seems to be on there. Now we'll move on to the next step. All right, so next up, this is the outside keypad that we're gonna mount on the other side of the door. And then on this one here, it's got the adhesive on the other side, so you peel that back. So that way you can stick that onto a wall. But this is the outside keypad, and we're gonna see if it works. Okay, so we had a little bit of difficulty since that last clip. Once I got the lock installed on there and I went to go use it as if I was going to leave, the SimpliSafe base station was telling me that the lock had not been recalibrated. Called SimpliSafe, was on hold with them for about 5 minutes, and in the meanwhile, while I'm on hold for 5 minutes, I dove into the main hub here to see if I could figure it out on my own. And you know what I did? I figured it out before they even returned the call. So what you do is you're gonna come on here, you're gonna go to menu, and I selected menu there. Go to devices there. Right here is where you would find, mine would be the lock side door. I selected that, and then there was a spot down there that said recalibrate right there. So I had to calibrate the lock, recalibrate it, and then now it's talking to the base station. Everything's working now. So what we do is, say you are home and you're getting ready to leave. So we're off, we're getting ready to leave the house. What you would do is you would hit away.
Please exit now.
Just please exit now, and it's giving you a minute countdown to get out of the house before it'll automatically lock itself right here. So 1 minute, we'll go ahead and just wait for the countdown to go through. And then a good thing is to take this thing, I think I'm gonna probably mount it right here right by the door, so that way I don't forget every time I need to leave to lock and arm the system automatically. So it's kind of nice that it will lock automatically once you hit the away button. So we are a few seconds away, 22 seconds. This is what's gonna get mounted on the outside of the door. Inside, outside, right here. Gets faster.
SimpliSafe on. Away.
Okay, so it automatically locked. The system said that it's locked. Away we went. So you go to the store, you come back, now you're home. Okay, so now you're going to use this key fob here, which gets mounted on the other side of the door. You'll put in your 4-digit PIN. And then it automatically... Alarm off. So it automatically unlocks. So that's exactly what I wanted. Now, like I said, I don't have the SimpliSafe system that costs a monthly price. I didn't want to get locked into a monthly rate. All I wanted was this smart lock. I wanted the simplicity of that. So it was pretty easy to install. A little hiccup on the recalibrating, but I figured it out. And now we are working, and now we have a smart lock. Well, thanks for watching this video, guys. Hopefully this setup process helped you to understand what it's going to be like to install one of these smart locks. And if you have any questions, throw a comment down below. I'd love to answer it for you, maybe to help you out. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, throw a thumbs up on it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so now. I'd love to have you back on the next one. So until then, be creative.